A for apple. Apple is a yummy, juicy fruit. This little boy is holding a big red apple in his hands, and he loves it. B for banana. A soft yellow banana, sweet and easy to peel. The little boy holds his banana gently and smiles. C for carrot. A crunchy orange carrot, fresh and healthy. The little boy picks it up and looks at its bright color. D for donut. A soft, sweet donut with colorful sprinkles on top. The little boy looks at it happily, enjoying its yummy smell. E for egg. A small egg, smooth and light. The little boy holds it carefully so it doesn't break. F for fig. A small, soft fig that's sweet on the inside. The little boy gently lifts the fig and looks at its pretty purple color. G for grapes. A bunch of tiny, juicy grapes. The little boy holds the bunch carefully and smiles at the shiny purple grapes. H for honey. Golden, sticky honey, ready to taste a little. I for ice cream. A sweet, cold ice cream in a cone, swirled with yummy colors. The little boy holds it carefully, excited to take a big lick. J for jam. A jar of sweet, fruity jam. K for kiwi. A fuzzy brown kiwi with bright green inside. The little boy carefully holds it and looks at the colorful fruit. L for lemon. A bright yellow lemon, fresh and tangy. M for mango. A sweet, juicy mango, golden and soft. N for noodle. Long, soft noodles ready to eat. O for orange. A bright, round orange, juicy and sweet. P for pineapple. A spiky golden pineapple, sweet and tropical. The little boy looks at it with wonder, excited to taste the juicy fruit inside. Q for quinoa. Tiny, healthy quinoa seeds, perfect for a yummy meal. R for raspberry. Small, red, juicy raspberries, soft and sweet. S for strawberry. A bright red strawberry, juicy and sweet. T for tomato. A round red tomato, fresh and plump. U for ugly fruit. A bumpy greenish-orange fruit that's sweet and juicy inside. The little boy looks at it curiously, excited to taste it. V for vegetable. Fresh, colorful vegetables on the table, healthy and tasty. U for watermelon. A big, juicy watermelon, red inside with black seeds. X for xanthia. Y for yogurt. A creamy, smooth yogurt in a little cup. Z for zucchini. A long green zucchini, fresh and healthy.